Class, today we have a new student. Please welcome him. Jamal, come on in. Can you introduce us with a talent, Jamal? No. Bro, why is this dude not talking? Quit mumbling, bro.
I know, man. Why? Pug, I don't understand why this Jamal dude ain't freaking talking. I don't know what's wrong with him. Jamal, just talk, bro. Bro, we don't even know you just talk.
Okay, fine. Guys, why did he just talk like that? I don't know, bro. But Pug, you understand fastness. Speak back.
I got you.
I can say it faster. Pug, you gotta speak back, bro. Come on, get your lick back. The end of the goofy dogs in a classroom arguing over who can speak faster. Pug, let's hear your thoughts. Man, I didn't even like Jamal, bro, but I had to do what I had to do. So, but just give this video a like.